Hey guys, it's Matthias here again. I just want to give a quick update on Path of Valor. We were talking in our alliance yesterday if it's worth to upgrade because we have two paths. When it comes to rewards, you have the free path, which gives you, which gives you some rewards, pretty good rewards. And then you have the premium over here that gives you lots of stuff. It cost about $10 and you got 300 diamonds and some summoning tokens, if I remember correctly. And what happens is if you are, for example, at level 6 here, you come all the way down there and you pay for the Path of Valor pass, then you will automatically get all the rewards in this column, which is pretty good, I think. Also, the rewards in the Valor Pass path is the premium path is always better than the ones in the other column. See here, for example, you have one training hero there and two training heroes there. So for $10 in the game, I would say that this is probably the best bang for the money you can get today. And I also got this fellow from it, which is kind of the cash wreck with swamp skin. That's pretty decent. 4-star draw. And also got these two bums, Renfield and Oberon. So it was pretty good for the Path of Valor thing. Good rewards, and also it will keep on coming. And today's tip is, you can see that I have all my energy stored, I have all my raid stored, and almost all my Titan stored, flags I mean. And that is because Path of Valor refreshes in 24 minutes. So I'm not going to start playing today until that has refreshed, because then I know what my daily challenge are, the ones down here, and if something changes with the Valor challenges down below. So I'm waiting for the daily challenges to refresh, which should be done in like 24 minutes, and then it's off to play. See you, bye.